Hello guys and welcome to another spoiler-free review. This is
Movie Meltdown!
And today we will review Blair Witch.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god, was it that scary for you, the movie? Well, Blair Witch is the sequel to the movie from the 19th. It's called Blair Witch Project. It was an indie movie. It was made with a real small budget, but it made millions in the theaters. It got really hyped because people thought that the actors were real people and they were not acting. So now they decided to make an actual sequel because they did make a second movie. I thought it was the Book of Blair Witch or something like that, but it surrounded the movie, so not necessarily the storyline of the movie. This is Blair Witch, it's a sequel, and it basically has the same plot.
Oh my god, we
It's
killed
Blair
her.
Witch. It's the
Killed
witch.
her!
It's the Blair Witch. They get
Did
lost.
we like the movie?
I like that. I did like the movie.
I didn't really. It was, yeah.
It was a 50-50 for me.
It was like 40-60 for me.
Well, I must say that when we did the trailer reaction for this movie, you can watch that right here. You know, I had some mixed feelings about it. I did not know if it was going to be okay because it in the trailer.
Yeah, the trailer wasn't very good.
It wasn't really good,
No.
but
No.
I must say that the movie did surprise me though a
Yeah.
little bit.
Better than the trailer.
Better than the trailer.
Yeah.
What I did like was the new technology that they used for that. So they have a drone.
That was
And that kind of stuff. I'm not going to spoil it too much for you guys, but they have a drone, and that's all we're saying. Yeah, that's the Blair Witch.
Let's move to the pros.
What's your
Well, I do have some pros. There were some moments in there where I was really.
What the fuck was
Oh,
that?
Fuck.
There's an old school next to my house here, and it's on Sunday, and it's getting renovated, and there's nobody there, but we are hearing sounds.
And voices.
Anyway,
Anyway,
for the
continue.
pros, you were saying. You were saying for the pros.
Well, for the pros, there were some moments in there where I was really hooked in, and it was like there was some nice excitement where the cameras weren't all shaky, and where I was like, whoa, that's cool. You know, there were some moments in there which I liked. Certain things that made you like, ooh, okay.
Me too.
And they tried to build
Yeah.
the
A little
characters
scary.
up though.
Yeah.
That I thought that was a little. I thought it was a.
I must say, my opinion of this movie is very small because I got to see the movie like
This, I know.
because I cannot deal with found footage or any shaky cam videos. I cannot deal with it because I have motion sickness, so I cannot play any video games or use a VR glass
True.
things.
True. She can't.
So I can't watch this movie as well, but I watched it in theater like this. So even like this, there were some moments enjoyable. So yeah. Well, what are your pros?
I agree with that it had some very intriguing moments. And I also like the acting. The acting was pretty good.
Yeah.
I like that.
True.
And it was entertaining.
They don't
But-
have a lot to, so they really have to.
Yeah.
It really has to be the
Yeah.
acting that
Yeah.
has to make the
But
movie.
yeah, it was entertaining. I enjoyed it. I was intrigued.
Yeah, it's just basically people in a forest, you know, and stuff getting down.
Just literally people in the forest, they're stuck
Getting
getting
up
down.
and stuff.
You know, stuff get down.
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah, people die, people don't die. It's
Yeah.
what happens.
People kill each other, they don't.
They
you know,
don't.
it's
You
just-
know, chick boom boom.
This is how they go, like chick, chick,
Yeah.
boom boom. No, but what I did like was that the new way style of shooting this movie. It was similar to the previous movie, but it was you can tell it was in a new age. It's a 50-50
Yeah.
for me. I
You
like.
can go. You go ahead and move to the con.
Yeah, I want to move to the cons indeed. So yeah, they so yeah, they could have made more use of the new technology that we have because they present that in the movie. And yeah, I had some ideas myself when I was watching the movie, like, oh, they're probably going to do this with like a camera or a thingy, and then it does not happen.
No.
You know, and at one point the shaky cam gets gets too shaky, even for me, and I have a VR glasses and I like virtual reality. I love watching things in 3D. I don't get motion sickness at all, unless we're in a roller coaster. Roller coaster.
For me, a con was that there were a lot of sounds, unexplainable sounds, a lot of killings that felt like, what is happening, you know? It wasn't very clear. The sounds were, sometimes you hear sounds and the people don't react to it.
Yeah,
and
true.
also the sounds don't match what happens on screen.
Yeah.
So sound-wise, I think they overdid it a little bit. Also, some characters I found a little weird. There was something happening where two characters came back from something and they were saying something like is happening or again or whatever, and it wasn't really explained that much. I would like to see more of that. When you see the movie, I think you'll know what I mean. So yeah. How about you?
Well, I have not seen any of the previous movies. And I had a lot of questions while watching the movie. And at the end, none of my questions got answered. Reid had to explain a lot to me for me to actually understand. A lot of questions didn't get answered, and I left the theater like, well, what actually was going on? And the shaky cam annoyed me a lot. I don't really have it that bad as Davey, that you really can't watch and stuff, but it was annoying me and I really had to turn my head.
Let's wrap it up here because we could ramble on, but you'll hear us ramble on a lot more in this spoiler.
I want to spoil it.
Well guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time in the spoiler reviews, this one. Let us know if you were going to watched it or whatever, and then we will see you next time. The video will come up pretty soon, I think, right?
Sure, and maybe I will create a poll.
Yeah, create a poll.
We will see what you guys thought about this movie, if you've seen it or not, or whatever. Let's talk about it in the comment section. We'll see.
Yes.
So, as always, don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like if you want to. The subscribe button is right there. If you are watching right now and you have subscribed, thank you. And if you haven't, please click it. That would be so nice.
It's right there. We love you.
Okay, well, thank you so much for watching, and this was
Movie Meltdown. See you guys in another video.
Oh my god, what is that?
What is that? I just snorted.